Hi guys, and welcome back to day 4 of our challenge. As always, we're going to do a short review first. If you need a longer review, I will link the previous video here and all of the other videos in the description below. So let's get started. So starting with our review, we'll take our basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, we cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Susie Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, we drop. Drop again, spiral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, we cross, body roll. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and tap, tap. 3, 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, and we go. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very nice. Let's move on to today's material. So starting with our basic 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, because we actually just went 6, 7, 8, you're going to be on your left foot on 8 to start this material. We're going to step together on 1, take a side basic 2, 3. Your left foot is going to brush up behind your right leg, and you're going to tap your heel or somewhere on your foot on 5. You're going to step together 6, and you're going to push off of your left foot and slide to your right on 7. So let's take all that again. So our weight's on our left foot on 8. We step together 1, side basic 2, 3. We flip our left foot back 5, feet together 6, slide to the right 7. One more time, a little more continuous. We're on our left foot on 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Nice. Let's add some body movement to it. So we're here on 8. We step together on 1, and we're going to take our right shoulder forward a little bit. 1. We're going to rotate the left shoulder forward on 2, and we're going to bring it back 3. So we're going right, left, right, and then we're going to add a little figure 8 motion in there from the right to the left to the right. And again, those of you in class know that we do this a bunch for warm up. So we take that during our side basic. So we're here on 8. We step together 1, our right shoulder goes forward. We figure 8 to the left. 2, back to the right on 3. Here we make sure our weight is on our right foot, so we can hit that foot on 4. We step together 5. As we slide to our right hand is going to go on top of our left hand, and we're going to slide it out on that 5. So we have right hand on top of left. You're going to slide that right hand over the arm, across the top of your chest, to the right shoulder. I'll do that same thing facing away from you. So this is the left hand. Right hand is on top. We slide it across and over. And all of that happens pretty quickly as we slide on 7. Okay, let's try it with the body movement. So our weight is forward on our left on 8. We step 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That was our first bar for day 4. Let's go into our second bar. We're going to connect it. So we're here on 7. Our left foot is going to cross over the right foot on 1. So yes, we are on our left foot on 1. We step back 2. We're going to turn over our left on 3. We're going to keep turning left 5. So now you should have your weight on your right foot. You're going to tap your left foot 6. So it should be on the outside of your left foot. So it's like pinky toe to pinky toe. And then you step forward 7. Okay, let's try that again. So we slid on 7. We cross the left foot. 1, 2, we turn to our left. 3, we keep turning to our left so we face the front. 5, we tap that left foot in. 6, and forward. 7. Good. Again. And we're here on 7. We go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you're just walking out a left turn. Nice and easy. Okay, let's try it from the top of today. We take actually we don't take a basic. We go from our 8. So we're here on 8. We step together. 1, shoulders. 2, 3. We flip the foot. 5, 6, slide, 7. Across the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for those of you that want an added challenge, we're going to take a body roll into our 5 at the very end. So instead of walking out the turn 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, you want to take that full turn now on 3, or most of the turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the second that you finish on 3 on your left foot, as you're going to your right foot on 5, you're rotating the chest forward and then tapping 6, 7. Let's try it again from the top. Your choice, you can walk that left turn out, or you can take the body roll. And we're here on 8. We go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very nice. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's try the whole thing together. So from the very top. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, we cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Susie Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Spiral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5. Body roll. Crossing. 1, 2, 3, 5. Front double cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, and we go. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With music. We're just going to do today's material with music first. So don't worry about the 6, 7, 8. We're just going to hold here 5, 6, 7, and then we'll take the side basic 1, 2, 3. I'll call it out. 1, 2, 3, 5, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try all 8 bars now with music. You guys got this.